In May 2020, a new wave of floods hit Ntoroko and Bundibugyo districts in southwest of Mount Rwenzori region. Over 3,000 people were reported to have been left homeless.
We are currently in Ntoroko district, Kanara sub-county, where the community has been affected by floods. People are camping at Rwangara Primary School, where they are taking safety after their households or their homes have been swept away by floods. Latrines have been carried away by floods. Water systems have also been swept away. Currently, the community has limited access to sanitary facilities and water.
Kizibu cha amana makatoka sigireyo. Amaka wana katahirirwa mu amaizi. Twaija mu camp. Baitu nambe camp tuli na kutumara.
Amaju gafuire. Abitungwa nkenkoko nembuzi ebikahwaho tukikyabina. Abukuba nturuga hano tugarukaho nturuga hano tugarukaho.
Despite the COVID pandemic, the villages were vibrant. People were going on about their daily activities like farming, and other businesses had resumed under clear standard operating procedures. This, however, is not the situation as the water has taken over. Fresh flooding broke out, affecting almost all people. Places got submerged and many have been left homeless with no source of livelihoods.
Katina makagaitu kulifo hamwaru amezi gaiza gatubinga bahati obu tula ha kampu ya haisomero already na haisomero sazinu tula habunkenke abo kusikira amezi gamaze kupata oku no nakunu kandi twine tapweki muna ya amezi gagirolelire kandi haisomero abera roho la triniek na habweki bokuja ya roho no sibo talira bokorora ngo ebinte biro mukwekora ko kutula hano mukampu.
We are in a congestion, as you can see. There are no hand wash facilities. We requested to so many responsible officers, but up to today we haven't seen anything. People are not observing social distance. Even if they have to observe social distance, the spaces itself cannot allow. And here we are getting visitors in and out. So we are really at risk.
Harobo twame ko kwenda kwa corona hano tukicyasoboka nimuronye durayine enu titwene ko tusa kwerinda corona sazona kakuba habaho by mistake yona abantu hano basaho kurwara bahwaho datwin nkebyo bwo mwezi hano tukene bwo mwezi bwo kwerinda datwin ya government twine mwegi eyisomero abantu banyakwingwira abantu bina niho bagwena muri datwin yemwegi
Erwa kwa abana bato nakukweyongire kandi nabande nabo abana nibatwarenda imyaka itakahikire habo kujurana nabantu kutatungo buraro burungi amazima no sanga ngo ebizibu byona biyongire muno.
Twina abana baitu obwisiki abana baitu balukurungi baitu bakuja mu nsonga tubaino byambi kandi na mbere tukusesa busasiro naho ntubisesa mu maizi obuno burufunu bukoraki tugarukira batuyamba ke batuserura akayikaro nambe turalinda abana baitu nambe turayirindira itana mbere tuli habe n'imyonka numororaho amezi gatuli inyuma gano gari mu maiso hatu gano gasobora kuja na gano bakaja akaterana tutunge kizibu
kyabakali banje kibare na kyoneki amasi bagamubone ndende amasi gano masi kakasura mu kiroga ta mu bataka kamali kutamu bataka gababiri abintu bikani yakasa mu kiro sahani sikagenda mifwali siya bonde njia temanguka bantu banji bakuruki bali akanisa ngo nabanji bali mu masukuru ngo kukabone ndene niko tuli hagati ya amasi gari na ebizibu bikani ebigaleti galeti ebyoro ni byatu byona byahoyo amasi agamukubona gagona nimabigonka bana batu nibo bagyaneramu biralizo zirumu miswija nkundi nibo se yali abana mu murengo gwona tutore koronge
As you can see, the congestion at this primary school, this is compromising the minimum COVID-19 prevention measures of social distancing, and also practicing some of hygiene practices like hand washing at critical moments.
Last year around December, the district was hit by flash floods that led to loss of 17 lives and a lot of property. And this time around, we have also been hit by floods twice. The first one occurred on 19th of August 2020, and the worst areas were Ntandi Town Council, Kasitu Sub-County, and Burondo Sub-County.
We are appealing to our friends, our donors, our supporters to join Oxfam and Fura in resource mobilization to extend service to the persons of concern in this area.